went and got some fuel. Doing drive on wood right now. Hopper's nice and cool. At about 50 miles an hour. Char bed is super tight because I put way too many fines in it. So I figured I'd take it out, run it pretty hard. Just cruising along. We're only getting about 200 degrees on the back post. That tight char bed, it makes it a little bit more tricky to drive, but still worth it. Went and got fuel. Now I shouldn't have to do that for a couple weeks. Running nice and lean like it normally does, but that high vacuum is kind of messing with me right now. I got a inconsistent mixture, so I just figured I'd take it out, run it, get it broke in. I cycled it a bunch of times, but it always seems to help for a new char bed, at least in my experience, to just get out and drive it. Oh, it's out for a cruise. It's a nice thing, we don't have to buy gasoline to go out for a cruise. Thanks for watching, guys.